Hello friend, welcome back to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. In today's video, I'm going to ask you one question. If you answer, then I'll go ahead. The question goes like this. Do you also think the day I'll start speaking English language very fluently, then I'll be very happy. Before that, you don't want to enjoy your small progress. My friend, if you do such mistakes or such fault, then from today onwards, you should stop it. Why? Because we don't know what is going to happen before we reach to our destination, right? That is why every single day, if we learn something new, we should enjoy. As we have already seen and heard and watched one news, that is plane crashed, you know. So we have seen many people they died. I think 265 people they died, you know. So if we also think that we'll be very happy once we reach to our destination, my friend, we don't know what is going to happen. Life is uncertain, you know. I'm really very sad for them. It's a very big loss for our country, right? But what we can do? It's God planning, but it's really very bad, I would say. Okay, a lot of people, their entire family, they died in that plane crash. So what I want to tell you through this video, my friend, we should always not believe in our destination. We may not reach, we may not become a perfect English speaker, but if we start enjoying every single day, maybe that miracle can also happen. We may become a perfect speaker, okay? And if you do that things, you can be happy every single day. Plus, if you are happy, then the chances are you will learn things very fast way, okay? What I have noticed, many people, they keep complaining that I'm not able to speak very fluently. My friend, how can you forget? You have just started learning, and how can you think about your destination? It takes a lot of time, okay? So be happy if you are learning small things. Be happy the things which is around you surround you. Life is very uncertain. At any time, anything can happen. But it doesn't mean that we have to be hopeless, right? We have to have hope that we can do anything, or we can achieve success, or we can reach to our destination. But a lot of things are happening that is making us to think negative also, right? Just like this plane crash. So that's what. Other thing, when I started learning this language, I was also worried about my destination, that the day I'll start speaking very fluently, then I'll be very happy. But in between, I learned, or I heard from someone, that enjoy your each and every day progress. If you learn one word, if you speak with someone little good way, better than your yesterday, feel happy. You have achieved. You are not the same person or the person you were yesterday. So in this way, if you start treating this language, my friend, the chances are you can learn this language fast way and happy way. Ultimately, our happiness matter, but not only happiness, some responsibility, or I would say that so many things are there. We have to focus on everything. I don't say that only happiness matters, because someday we don't feel to do, our work. So in that case also we have to do if we want to achieve something, right? So I won't say that if you are not feeling good, don't practice in that case also. Maybe if you connect with some good people, if they are carrying the good vibration, so they can share with you, and within fraction of minute your mood can change. That is why if you are not feeling good, even try to practice, try to connect with people, talk, and learn new things. So this is what, as you can see, I'm in my field, and this is evening time. Actually, sun is about to set, as you can see. Yeah, so It's really very vibrant moment. Here I'm standing and no one is there, but even I'm enjoying with the nature because I love to watch sunset. Small things makes me happy, natural things also. So yeah, I try to enjoy, but I can't say that I always be happy. It would be not right. Anyone can't be always happy, I guess. So this is what. So if you are also a learner, don't do this kind of mistake. Try to enjoy your each and every day progress, and you will see that you will start speaking English language very fluently. My friend, we all suffer. We all have a lot of problem related to English, related to so many things, right? But it doesn't mean that we have to be very sad and we should not enjoy our life or our progress. We should. In this way, life can be wonderful and we can live our life at the fullest. Okay, so this is what. Other thing, there are many learners, they won't agree with my point maybe. Just like, how can I be happy? I don't even know little bit things also. Or in my life, this thing is not going on. A lot of people would go against of my thought. But yeah, obviously, for some time, we can't, change our mood or so many things. But we have to learn how to switch our mood. Okay, and coming to learning this language, if you face a lot of challenges, my friend, have patience. A lot of videos are available. Try to watch them. Try to learn every single day. If you are learning small thing, if you feel okay, I have learned one new thing, enjoy that one. So in this way, you will learn this language fast way. You will speak this language very fluently, and your dream of speaking this language will complete. Plus, you will be happy also. If you talk about destination, I really don't have idea that how many years it takes to reach to our destination. I mean, to speak this language very fluently without any mistakes. I don't have idea. Maybe in future I may get, then I'll definitely share with you. So as you can see, the background behind me, it's so good. No one is there. This is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.